Many of my traders write to me and ask, what is the best strategy right now? What are the best indicators to use in 2026? So I decided to record this video to show everything in practice so that everyone can understand and figure it out, and so I don't have to reply to each person in private messages. But before we start, I want to remind you that my name is Mori. In the video description you can find my free Telegram channel. There you'll also find my contact information so you can write to me. You can ask me any question you're interested in and I can help you understand trading. I also have a free web group and a trading bot, so feel free to take all my products for free. Just message me on Telegram. Alright, let's get started with our trading. I trade on pocket option, and my trading strategy is based on trading with the fractal and MACD indicators. This is an exceptionally effective combination of indicators, and now we'll test it out in a live market environment. As you can see here, I've already selected several currency pairs that offer a very good and high payout percentage. To get even better results today, I'll be trading on 1-minute intervals with a starting amount of $100. Our trading amount for this session is $100. Okay guys, let's get started. Let's analyze the currency pairs and our market. Look for some good potential entry points and select them. You will always need to deliberate carefully and analyze the current market. All things considered, I am going to open a trade right here for an upward movement. A good green candle overall. As we can see here, it is green and we have a bullish crossover. The green line on the MACD is moving upward, so this signals a trend. The signal for an upward movement. So it looks like we still have a bit of time left here. For now, we can see both a green and a red candle starting to form. Alright, let's just wait a bit and see what happens. There's not much time left. Half within the trade still remains. Could this really be a loss, guys? The first trade? But overall that's normal, it happens, guys. In trading it's impossible to always win. Every trader knows and understands this. Yes, unfortunately our first trade, that attempt was unsuccessful. Let's move to the next one and try to recover what we have lost. Oh, overall there's an interesting picture here. Yes. So we can see there's a general downtrend here. So let's open a position for a downward move. Just 1 minute, literally. Overall, I see a general downtrend. The market is clearly continuing to move downwards, so I think we should open a position for a decrease. Overall, yes, right now we have a strong red candle going down. According to the MACD indicator, we can see a red volume forming for a decrease. This is also a signal. It also indicates that it's better to open a position downwards. We see a fractal. We see a green arrow has appeared. This also serves as a signal to us that the market is heading in a downward trend. And so we have just a little bit of time left until this trade finally closes. So for now, let's just sit back and wait for our profit. And yes guys, that was really an excellent trade. I think that is actually very good, and it looks like we have finally made up for our entire loss. Okay, all in all, I think we can look at opening a long position at this point, guys. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also write in the comments what your favorite strategy is and which indicators you like to trade with. I would be very interested to read your opinions. So as we can clearly see on the chart, there were several big red candles right here. A local minimum was formed. and then a significant reversal happened. Right now we also see a very good trend indicated by the volume. We can see there was a clear crossover at this specific point and these green squares appeared. Green squares. This means that the volume, as we can clearly see right here, the green indicator, which is this rising green line, is steadily going up and a red fractal has also been fixed. This signals significant growth for us and we have just a little bit of time left. And yes, that marks our second consecutive victory. Guys, I have to say that's truly great. But as I said before, it's much better to avoid using any emotions in your trading. Guys, if you haven't watched my previous video, be sure to check it out where I talked about my mistakes when I first started trading. Okay. This one too. It's quite a beautiful chart in my opinion. So a local minimum has formed. Alright, let's take a look at something else. Let's consider all the options. Overall, I think I'll open a position here for an increase. There's a general upward trend. We see a green indicator at the top, the messy D line. Also our volumes for an increase are growing, these green squares right here. So far everything's great for us. The trade is in profit. I hope and am confident that it will also close in profit. Very confidently and calmly, I want to remind you that I have my own free Telegram channel. Guys, join if you want to trade with me, if you want to get help or some advice from me. I also have informative posts about trading. All of this is absolutely free. Go to the link in the video description and subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting for all of you guys. So we have just a little time left. Just a little bit more, haha. And look at that, we have yet another big profit, guys. We just secured another amazing profit right here. That's the third trade in a row. We're in profit. So, dear friends, if anything, I'm just focused on the analysis here. I do sincerely apologize right now that I'm not giving any commentary. It's just that this is an extremely meticulous task, demanding great responsibility. So, let's go ahead and repeat our previous trade by opening another position right here for an increase, primarily because I am seeing some very strong and consistent growth. The chart is shooting up in an upward direction, which is a very good sign. We can see these strong upward volumes represented by the squares, and we also see the green line moving up. The MACD indicator is currently showing a very confident and strong signal, and we can see a good bullish candle forming right now. This is absolutely wonderful, my dear friends. Also, I would really appreciate it if you could consider subscribing to my YouTube channel right now. Give me a like and share your honest opinion about this strategy and my trading in the comments down below. It would truly mean a great deal to me. Dear friends, so I look forward to your engagement. This will be a great motivation for me to keep making videos and delighting you with my content on the channel. Alright then, that is another big win, guys. Let's go. The strategy is working out just perfectly, showing itself really well. I think this is simply top notch. So let's open the last trade. Let's consolidate, so to speak, what we've learned. Alright, I'll open a position here for a decline. Overall, the market situation is very good right now. As you can see, trades are going very smoothly. We can see a general downward movement. We see very strong, confident red volumes. So there are a lot of sellers pushing the price down. So overall, that's why I decided to support them and opened a position for a decline. The market is currently moving downward. So what we have, it looks like a general downward movement is happening. Yes. We can see a fractal has formed here as well. So the situation is very tense right now. Very much so. Come on, maybe. Let's go lower, please. Let's not miss this. Come on. And yes, guys, another consecutive win. This is an absolutely phenomenal outcome. Just an amazing strategy. I really like it, and I think you will too, because it's exceptionally straightforward, very easy to understand, and also remarkably easy to implement and apply in practice overall. I really hope you understood and figured out exactly how this fractal plus MACD strategy works for you. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and I want to remind you about my Telegram channel where you can find even more. All my contacts, write to me, get help, trade together with me, and access all my products. We offer a trading bot, social trading, automatic copying, and trading signal absolutely for free. It's completely free, so go to the video description, subscribe to my channel, and like this video if you find it helpful. Really enjoyed it and this trading strategy. I wish everyone success and big profits. Goodbye to all.